Alright guys, so it's actually the next morning. We've had some brekkie and it's pretty early, it's about 10 o'clock and we're straight away getting back out on the tracks. Just going to keep adventuring around the park. Still heaps to see, like we literally checked out hardly anything yesterday compared to what there is. So we're just going to head out there now and have fun. So look off the day!
I don't know how to guide you, so.
Where are we? The one with mud house on the hill.
Big Pen. So we're not doing club rally.
No.
Jeez, there's heaps of tracks.
Yeah, this is where you want to go. This is all good fun.
Frying Pan Road.
Yeah, but this is all good fun.
Is it?
Yeah, let's go do that then.
You're gonna like tip here, but it'll be fine. Just keep it rolling. Get a photo, quick!
You can screenshot. Proud moment. This was fine. What the hell?
Damn cruisers. Yeah, it's off.
Oh! Only a little bit.
Superior spot to me. Alright guys, so we're actually lost now. We took the wrong turn, so I have no idea where we are, but we're still on a track, which is good news. And we're just going to keep following it for a bit. Super nice, so we're just having fun. Bro, this stuff is so steep. It probably doesn't look that steep in the camera, but this is scary, man. The one small tip I actually have for people is when you're going down something real steep and you think that there is a slight chance of you rolling over, just put your window up about 3/4 so you can still hear people talking and stuff. But I've done it before. Your natural reaction when you go into a lean, when you see a bank right there, I don't know what it is. Your natural reaction is to literally put your hand out and try and stop the car, which is obviously impossible. And there is stories of people losing their arms, like putting 2 hands out, break their elbows, all that sort of stuff. So if you guys think you're going down something sketchy, just about there is where I keep it, and that allows you to not actually put your hand out the window. Top tip.
We're going up that.
Oh yeah.
Hilux Highway.
Is it steep?
Not that bad. Hilux can get up it. Is it steep?
There's no D-Max mountain around here, is there? So this is the start of Hilux Highway. You want me to spot your arm? Oh, you got it, mate.
Good drive, Shauno.
Oh, good drive, mate. What do you rate it, Ryan?
Yeah, no, he's done well, the young fella, yeah.
You taught him that, eh?
Yeah, he's my son.
So that's a fun little drive. We're still on Hilux Highway. Next part's apparently pretty rocky. Some of the guys just went down and spotted it, so we're just going to keep moving through it because you can't turn around. So sand it.
He's going in a very good heavy. Water, you got to keep the revs up. Try and stick that way a bit more, Heath. That's it. Yep. This way. Alright, go back. Give it to me, baby. Whoa! Whoa, that is bad. Alright, back. Go reverse and left hand there and just spin your front end around. Well, if he turns up this way, it should be fine. But if he doesn't, that's a big rock. Oh, good. I'll do it through it. Yeah, we're going to broad, just broad. Yeah. You're going a little bit more up the rock. Nah, go back. It's just weird. I just put it into the gap there. Come on, Marco. Ooh, nah. Go again. You see how you're up against these rocks here, these little ones? Yeah. That works.
What if that slips?
Yeah, push it away, Ryan. Push, Ryan!
There's nothing there.
Nice there. This reminds me of Pigpen again.
we're actually all done for the weekend, so thank you to Westy and Ellie for setting up that event. It was really cool. Like, it was honestly so well done. They did such a good job. So thanks for setting up the event, and thanks for the invite, and can't wait to do it again for their next event. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate that, and we'll catch you on the next adventure, eh?